Passport control. Good morning. Can I see your passport? Here you are. Thank you very much. Are you a tourist or on business? I am a tourist. That's fine. Have a pleasant stay. Thank you. Direction. Excuse me, is there a bank near here? Yes, there is a bank on the corner. Thank you. You are welcome. Direction 2. Excuse me, is there a supermarket near here? Yes, there is one near here. How do I get there? At the traffic light, take the first left and go straight on. It's on the left. Is it far? Not really. Thank you. Don't mention it.